Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable canonical tags with Shopify SEO settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable canonical tags using Shopify SEO settings, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to the online store section located on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Preferences within the online store section. Scroll down to the search engine listing preview area. Here, you will find fields for your page title, meta description, and URL. Shopify automatically generates canonical tags for your primary pages. However, if you need to add or modify canonical tags for specific pages, go to the Products or Pages section, depending on what you want to edit. Select the product or page for which you want to enable a canonical tag. Scroll down to the search engine listing preview section on the product or page editing screen. If you see the Add Canonical Tag option, click on it to enable this feature. For products, Shopify typically auto-generates the canonical tag based on the main product URL. In the case of duplicate products or content, you may want to specify a canonical URL. Enter the desired canonical URL into the designated field. After you've entered the URL, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the top right corner. Repeat these steps for any other products or pages that require canonical tags. After finishing all edits, it's a good idea to check if the canonical tags are functioning correctly. You can do this by viewing the page source of the specific product or page in your web browser. Look for the canonical tag in the source code to confirm it has been added correctly. By following these steps, you can successfully enable canonical tags in Shopify settings to improve your SEO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.